In this session, we will learn how to merge or unite multiple features into one in Google Earth Engine. First, we will filter out 4 Scandinavian countries. So let's get started. First, import large-scale international boundary dataset into a variable. Search for LSIB. Go for the simplified one. Copy the snippet and paste code editor. Now we will filter 4 Scandinavian countries. Make a variable name Scandinavian countries. LSIV dot filter. We will use here in-list filter function e dot filter dot in-list. And the property we will be using comes from LSIV. Click on the table schema and we will use this country underscore NA to filter. Copy this, close, and country underscore NA, comma, and the list. Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland. Now center object to visualize our selected countries. Now set some visualization parameters. Color, we will use here red, and fill color, we will use transparent fill color, so FF and S0. Now add the layer with add layer functions. Dot style Insert here visualization. Visualize. And in visualization parameters, it blank and give a name and countries. Now click on run. Our 4 Scandinavian countries are filtered and shown in the screen. Now we would like to merge all 4 countries' boundary to make one. For that, let's make a variable named Scandinavia Countries Union. And take the Scandinavian countries. The function we will use here is .union. Now let's add this here. It is the same styling as previous. Let's comment out the previous shape. Now run the code. The boundaries of all 4 countries are now merged or united.